Basically, it's getting a piece of metal hot, bringing it to the anvil and hitting it with a hammer. But you could do that all day and make nothing. So learning how to hold the hammer right, how to stand at the anvil right, how to hold the hot piece of metal right. Most of the time people struggle, of course, in the beginning, especially in a beginning class. But the moments that student gets it and their face changes and they understand that, oh, I'm doing it right, and they make the things that they had in their head and it works out, that's the best part. Those are the moments, the interaction with the people, learning something new and different to them, and it just makes it so worth it.